Spice pumpkin soup with chorizo and pepitas. First, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Line a baking tray with baking paper. Spread the pumpkin over the tray. Then drizzle with oil. Sprinkle with turmeric. And season. Roast for 30 minutes or until soft. Next, cook the chorizo in a large heavy base saucepan over a medium heat for 3 minutes or until crisp. Transfer to a plate lined with kitchen towel and set aside for the topping. Cook the onion, garlic and ginger in the pan for 2 minutes. Add cumin and paprika and cook for 5 minutes or until onion is soft. Add the roasted pumpkin to the pan, followed by the stock. Simmer for 15 minutes. For the topping, place the pepitas in a small frying pan over a high heat. Cook, shaking the pan, for 2 minutes or until toasted. Use a stick blender to carefully blend the stock mixture until smooth. Season. To finish the topping, combine the toasted pepitas, crispy chorizo and shallot in a small bowl. Serve the soup with a swirl of sour cream, a sprinkle of the chorizo topping and a drizzle of red wine vinegar.